The electric jack is a true multifunction trail tool. From tire repair and getting unstuck to rollover recovery, it can help in all kinds of situations. But hey, we get it. For some, it's size or budget, and for others, well, new things are scary. So we had this idea. Make a more affordable jack with the same safety features and modular mounting options, but in a faster, more compact, purpose-built platform. This is the Manual Jack. At 24 inches long and weighing just 10 pounds, it's a super lightweight and compact jack that you can store just about anywhere on your UTV. It uses the same weld-on jack points to ensure that when the vehicle is lifted, it can't fall off the jack, and the same dished pad design so that the jack does not sink into the sand. But the best part is the speed. This thing rips. Using a standard 3/4 socket and impact, you can get your car off the ground in just seconds. So if you're looking for a compact and lightweight jack that'll lift your car right now, then might I recommend the Manual Jack. Bro, you're still here? You gotta go get that jack. It's manual.